wife can't handle Christmas. I know how to take care of him. Oh, no. I gotta go to the grocery store and get ready for dinner. I'm almost out of eggs.
This is Jay snoring. He doesn't even know I'm here.